Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change colors within your picture on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application and then you can tap on the open button in order to open up any image that you would like to edit. After opening up your image, if you wish to change the color within this photo, you can use the various different presets within the looks option as well. When you cycle through the different presets, you will be able to apply various different color tones. If you don't find a style that is suitable for your photo, you can tap on Tools and you will find various different options. Tap on Tune Image and you will be able to change the brightness as well as contrast setting. You can also play around with the saturation, the ambience, as well as shadows and highlights. Now, within the warmth option, you will be able to impact the color of your image drastically. Choose your desired color pattern and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. If you only want to change the color of a specific region within the image, then from the Tools menu, go ahead and click on Selective. From here, you can tap on any point and then change the brightness, contrast, as well as saturation and structure of this region alone. And there you have it. That is how you can change the color within your images on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.